Oh my God, bro, look at the front.
What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, brother?
What you got? What you got this time? What you got?
Got a good client. My boy Josh Christopher just got drafted to the Rockets, first round pick, and he just got a Model X.
Model X.
And we've been talking about this for years, and we're finally gonna make it happen. He wants to do, of course, some dope wheels.
Okay.
He wants to wide body it.
What?
On a Model X wide body.
Okay.
And then he wants to do a dope wrap like all matte black.
Damn.
And have it look like the Batmobile, pretty
Murder
much.
it all out, huh?
Yeah, black out all the trim, you know, along the windows, and maybe tint the tail lights, and get a good pair of wheels on it, and I think we call it a day. But we need to ideate on the wide body because I haven't seen a lot of those.
Yeah, that's gonna be the challenging part.
Yeah.
So wrap, trim, wide body, wheels.
Wheels.
And tint. Probably.
And tint, yeah.
Then
of course.
Good.
So
all right.
I'm leaving it to you.
Yep.
All right, Moose.
I'll show
You
you
do your thing, and we'll circle back around.
For sure.
Right.
So what we're gonna do is we're going to build a carbon fiber Tesla Model X with carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber fender flares, rocker panels, diffuser, and added rear wing. We're gonna put a set of Symbolo 22-inch wheels on it and make this thing a wow factor anytime Josh pulls up.
What we're gonna do now is we're gonna fit the bumper with a diffuser. Once we get that diffuser already fit in place, we're gonna wrap the bumper and then install the diffuser. We put it together, the rockers, so the bottom rockers. It's two pieces, so we bolt in it, so it will never come out. We put it together, the two pieces on the bumper, so now we're gonna install the bumper and the car.
And the carbon work on this? Yeah, so we're gonna leave it carbon. But you want us to wrap over it?
Oh my God, bro, look at the front. Bro, I didn't even know it had the face like this.
And it's super aggressive. Like if you look at the sides, like how the fender flares are gonna be.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, it's all about the hips too.
All about the hips.
Oh, I see.
You see what they're trying to do with them. So that's why that piece.
a lucky man right here, man. It's a dope whip, dope dude, real deserving of it. I mess with it. Get 10 out of 10 from me. 10 out of 10.
I thought you already seen it or had it.
I told him which one to get. I'm not in a rush to drive. I'd rather have it be the perfect piece.
Yep. So this will be a perfect one, that's for sure.
I'll always have it. It's 101. Classic.
Now that I have the bottom pieces, the rest of the pieces is getting wrapped, so I can put it together right now. Right side already done, so we're gonna move into the left side and put it all together, the wide body. Right after that, we're gonna put the hood and it's ready to go.
Christopher here at West Coast Customs. Get my first look at my Tesla, man. It's been a process and I love it. It's amazing. All black, little spaceship vibe, exactly how I wanted it. You know you did something real good too when the car's not even done yet and you just know like, oh yeah, this is killer. So shout out to Big Ryan, Lil Ryan, West Coast, man. Did an amazing job. I almost want to do a new car already. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's almost time for to do it, but Tesla's coming.